Hello, Chef here. Some more sharpening tips and tricks for you. What do we have here? We have a sharpening stone on top of my beautiful butcher block. Oh yeah. And at the same time, I want to show you the clip, the guide clip, very special clip. Stainless steel, plastic line, goes around the knife, no damage. I like it. Sharpening Stone, 8,000 grit. This baby's made in Japan. You can't go wrong. I love it. You want to use a lesser grit, I would say, okay, drop it down to a 3,000 or a 1,500. But for quality knives, this is what you need. Here we go. Here's a really nice knife made in Germany. Let's check it out. It's brand new in the box. Let's see just how sharp it is and what's going on with this baby. Okay, this is a Messermeister. It's a German brand. I like it. This is a special wide knife here. It's in between a chef knife and a cleaver. I really like it. You can find more information on this exact knife at the sponsor right there. They're having a sale on these. I like the fact it's pretty thick. It's got a nice full tang. It's forged, riveted handles, polished pretty good. This knife will last you forever if you take care of it. So it's brand new. It's sharp, right? Well, let's check it. Piece of paper here. Yeah, it's not that sharp. It's cutting the paper, but not easily. So, I'm going to show you two ways to get it sharper. The first one is to put the clip on the back of the knife like this. Going to get it through like this right here. This is nice. It doesn't scratch the knife. And this gives me the exact angle I'm looking for. Right there, okay? And then I can follow that angle and repeat through there. Now, a lot of you are thinking, well, the sharpening stone should be wet. Well, you're right. It should be wet. So we're going to put a little bit of water right on top like this. Just a little bit. A few drops is all we need. A little bit of water. Water. Okay, just like that. Now, I've got my angle, and I'm going to go from the back to the front, like that. Carefully, very carefully. Okay, no scratches, no damage, it's looking good. We're going to check it on a piece of paper once more. Another piece of paper here. It's sharper, a little bit. Now I got one more step for you to make this knife really sharp. And that is the custom-made leather strop. Yeah, you can only get this at one place. That's your sponsor there. So I'm just going to take and polish the back like this. Repeat. Alright, now I'm going to check it on the paper. See what we got going on here now. Yep, it's definitely sharper. You can just notice the edge of the blade is biting in a little bit better. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Score all the products at your sponsor right there. They're having a sale on the knives. You can get the clips, the stones. Leather strop, I love it. I use this constantly on my paring knives, boning knives, pocket knives, fillet knives. Makes a great gift. This is only like 20 bucks, I believe. These are a little more, but they're made to last forever, and they do have a lifetime warranty. These, I think, are like $10, and the stones vary in price. Check it out at your sponsor. Subscribe right there. Smash that like button. And yeah, stay tuned to the channel. There's some more cool stuff coming. On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it. It works. And wow. It protects. That's what it's all about. Safety. Yeah. Made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Video I will show you how to maintain cutting boards. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsor's got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions, 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. Contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next, maple. This one here is This is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. Here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see. You get what you pay for. I don't use these. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Yeah, and that's what you get when you use a quality knife. Look at that. Wow. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, the sponsor's got an exclusive on this awesome new knife made in Japan. Butcher blocks, yeah, butcher blocks made in America. Free shipping. Wow, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's gonna be good.